This is Entamoeba Histolytica, a single-celled organism generically known as an amoeba. But unlike thousands of amoeba which exist around the world, this one's a killer, entering the intestine of animals before literally devouring its host from within. Now, while it's rare to come across the Entamoeba Histolytica parasite here in the West, it is estimated that in developing countries it kills about 100,000 people a year. Also, since it's a parasite and not a virus or a germ, it's not been possible to produce a vaccine that would protect people from it. Until now, that is.
What we have discovered is that protein on the surface of this parasite that is involved in sticking to the intestine. We've taken that protein and developed a vaccine that we could introduce intranasally. And when we do that in animals, we get 100% protection against the parasite. This is significant in that about 10% of the world's population is infected with this parasite, causing upwards to 100,000 deaths per year. So I think it's huge.
In fact, huge could be an understatement. What Chris Chaddy and his team have done is come up with the world's first vaccine against a parasite. Although, like all breakthroughs, it's taken time.
The vaccine development is not easy. First, you have to identify a target on the pathogen that's important in its biology. That's exactly what we have done. We've taken the protein on this parasite, the surface protein that allows it to stick to the intestine, and we use that as our strategy to develop antibodies to inhibit sticking in the intestine. So we have a vaccine that prevents the parasite from colonizing or staying in the intestine.
Dr. Chaddy hopes his initial findings will ultimately lead to clinical trials within the next 5 years or so. However, the hard reality is, as groundbreaking as this discovery may be, the main benefactors are likely to be people living in the third world. And from a commercial point of view, well, that may not be overly exciting for the Western drug companies.